This is Unit 7 in Building 108 at our Meadow Ridge complex. These are the largest units. It's down on the cul-de-sac. So this is the end of Meadow Ridge Drive. Number 7 is an end unit. The tenant here now is in the process of moving out. So things are a little bit in disarray, but get an idea of what the unit looks like. So the end units do have a front kitchen. You have a built-in microwave, glass top, 5-burner stove. Dishwasher. These units do have nice wood laminate floors throughout, except for the stairs, which are carpeted. Back here you have a living room, dining room combination. Nice feature of the end units is they do have windows, which is very, very nice. Let some light in, other than the fact that you don't have somebody on either side of you. Plenty of room in here for a sectional couch if you have one. Some people do put the couch in between the living room and dining room if you do want to separate the area. Off the back, you do have a deck. It's pretty cold today and windy, so I'm not really going to open the door, but plenty of room out there for table and chairs, gas grill. These do have a walkout basement, so it's actually sitting up, and the door for the walkout basement is underneath. It's pretty quiet out there. And then this is the basement. These do come with a full basement, so there's plenty of room for storage here. The washer and dryer hookups are down here as well. You do have to provide your own washer and dryer, but the hookups are here. So there's room for a folding table if you wish to have that. And then lots of room for furniture, shelves. A lot of people do work out in the basements because they stay nice and cool in the summertime. And this is the door that goes outside underneath the deck. It's very convenient to have a walkout basement because you can bring in bulky items. So this door goes out under the deck, and you can see kind of what the backyard looks like. It's very quiet, just trees out back. And again, you can see there's a lot of room for storage for items that you don't typically use all the time. And then you have on the second floor, you have 2 good-sized bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. And also you have 2 heating zones. So there's downstairs heating, and then there's a separate heating zone for the upstairs. And again, carpeting just on the stairs. So at the top of the stairs here, there is a linen closet. And then right here is the second bedroom. Some people might use it as an office. Actually, could be a second bedroom plus an office. There's plenty of room for that. Has a good sized closet. The closet actually goes all the way down to the end of that wall. So it's pretty big. This room will take a queen size bed. No problem at all. Plus furniture. And right next door you have one of the bathrooms. Again, this is a full bath. Tub and shower. Tile floors in here. Then we go into the master bedroom. Master has its own bathroom. Pretty much the same as the other bathroom. It just closes off into the master, so it's private. And then this is the master bedroom. Again, very large. This will fit a king-size bed plus king-size furniture. And then this has a huge closet. That closet actually goes all the way through. That whole wall is the closet. It just has 2 doors, one on each side. These units have baseboard hot water heat. It's heated by propane, which the tenant does not pay for. That's included in the rent. The rent also includes water and sewer. Also parking lot snowplowing and lawn care. So tenant just pays for electric and internet. If you're interested, call us at 207-974-6606 or you can visit us at rentbangor.com.